Welcome back to Superyacht International. In this video I will be discussing the COLREG rules of the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What are the rules of the road? The International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, IRPCS, more commonly known as the COLREGs, are the rules of the road for ships and other vessels at sea. They set out the conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility. The rules clearly state what action is required to best avoid a collision. COLREGs Part B, Rules for 19. What is the purpose? The rules were introduced to make it clear when you are the stand-on vessel or when you are the give-way vessel, and the correct action to take when in close quarters with other vessels to avoid a collision. Failure to comply with the COLREGs is a criminal offence and you can be prosecuted. There are 5 basic rules of the road covered in this video. Direction of travel, overtaking, head-on situation, crossing situation, and power versus sail. Stand-on vessel and give-way vessel will be mentioned in the coming slides. The responsibility of the stand-on vessel is to maintain course and speed. The responsibility of the give-way vessel is to take action to avoid a collision. This being said, all vessels have a duty to avoid a collision at all costs. This means vessels must take appropriate action in the case of the rules not being followed. Flashcards are a great way to revise and test yourself on the COLREGs. Click the link below to get yourself a set. Also find our other recommended Yachtmaster resources in the description. Direction of travel. Vessels operating in a buoyed or narrow channel should always pass port to port and keep to the starboard side of the waterway. Overtaking. The overtaking vessel is the give-way vessel and should keep clear of the vessel it is overtaking. The vessel being overtaken is the stand-on vessel and should maintain course and speed. Head-on situation. Both vessels should alter course to starboard. Alteration of course should be early, clear, and substantial so the other vessel is fully aware of the action being taken. Crossing situation. A vessel coming from starboard is the stand-on vessel and you should pass behind the other boat. A vessel coming from port is the give-way vessel and they should pass behind you. Power versus sail. The power boat must act as the give-way vessel and give the sailing boat a clear passage. It is considered good seamanship for the power boat to avoid the effects of wash on the yacht. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel. Check the description for links.